Hello everyone, I am Khushbu. I am your trainer and I have 13 plus years of experience in teaching as well as training as well as industrial field. I am a full stack trainer. I am giving training on Python, Java, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, TypeScript and Angular. And today I am giving a lecture on Python. I will give you some brief idea of Python language. So I am continuing that. Yeah. So first question is why we should learn Python, right? So we will just briefly see that why we should learn Python. So Python is a higher level general purpose programming language. So what is meaning of higher level? Normally when you deal with the machine, just like machine language, that is called lower level language, but Python, C, C++, Java, all are higher level language because we can, as a programmer, we can easily understand that languages. But if you prefer machine language, it will be quite difficult to understand that. So Python is a higher level language. Another second thing is Python program are generally smaller than other languages like Java, right? So I am working with both languages. So if I give you simple example, so if you want to print simple thing in Python, what you will do, you will just write the print and if so it will print hello world. But if you want to write same thing in Java, what you have to do, either you have to write first of all, you have to define the class because Java is working with the class. I will give you this example. Yeah. So see, we have to define the class and then we have to define the public static void main method that is mandatory for run Java program. Then after you have to write a simple system.out.println hello world or whatever you want to print, right? So this is the procedure for Java to write only simple print statement, right? So it is what we can say like that. The syntax of Java is quite difficult compared to Python. Okay, are you clear? So Python has a very easy syntax. We can easily understand that. Python language is like we are reading the English language. Okay. There are many tech giant companies that are using Python language, just like Google, Amazon, Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, Uber, right? And what is the biggest strength of Python? It's library support, right? Because see, due to Python library support, many programmers who are not basically from computer field, they are also now doing programming in Python due to Python library support. Because see, if you use any library, you will get ready-made function, right? You just have to call that function and you will get output. Okay. So that's why due to library support, we can easily work with the application layer. Okay. So that is the beauty of Python. So if you want to write a GUI application, you can use this Kiwi and Tkinter library. If you want to work with the web framework, so like Django, so we have ready-made framework is available, Django, and YouTube, is the Instagram, all are using that framework to develop web application. Another very beautiful library is that OpenCV. If you want to work on image processing, just like you want to work on face detection, features detection, you want to work on motion detection. So this type of thing can be done to take a help of OpenCV library, and Python is supporting this OpenCV library. So we directly, there are so many inbuilt algorithms are available in OpenCV for motion detection, for face detection. We just have to call that function and our program develop this type of motion detection features in our program, even face detection, eye detection, like that, even car detection. So there are just like vehicle detection, we can say like that. So we can even develop our own database for that pictures, and we can create our own algorithm also. So that is the beauty of OpenCV library. So Python is also supporting that. Yeah. So this is the features you see in today's scenario. Python and Java is most favorite and most famous programming language. And you will also post on that particular website, and you will get response from many programmers who are working with that. So that is, and similar to English language, I have explained you that. Now Python is portable, right? So Python can work on any platform, right? If you want to work on either Windows or Mac OS, or even in Linux system, or even Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi is a device that is used particular for image processing, and we can even easily port Python. Already there are some versions, means packages are available on that, and you can directly run your Python program on that. So we can easily port Python on any system. So that is the benefit. Python is heavily used in data science, that we all know, right? And now all AI, chat GPT and all, that is very famous thing. And for AI purpose, because Python is basically used for research purpose, so, and it has very good library support for data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence. So there are, this library are famous for pandas, numpy, scipy, right? So they are used in data science field. And now popularity of Python is growing rapidly, and now it's the most popular programming language in the world. Right? So these are the basic benefits of Python. We can say that's why we have to learn Python. Now we will see what content we will cover, right? So first we will see what is the introduction, and then we will see which IDE we will use. Either we can use idle, okay, or whatever we want to prefer. We get, there are 3-4 IDEs are available in Python. So Spider is also very famous. We can use that, right? So either Spider or idle we will use. Now how we can install Python, that we will see. Then these are the basic things. What is the variable? Whatever language you learn, you have to learn these things, right? How we can store value in variable, then keywords, right? Each and every language has some keywords. Without keywords, you cannot write any syntax in your programming language. So if you want to learn any programming language, first of all, you have to learn the key. Now means if you read data from any file system, you always receive that data in the form of string, right? So we have to apply different methods on string to get desired output, right? So string is very important, and we have to understand some methods that are related to string. So that's why we will learn string methods. and how we can format the string. So that format method is also important. Okay, so